Ain't no excellent about it. Well, I was going to upload a short, but YouTube won't come on right now, and I'll prove it. That there matches this right here. That's the bridge. Campbell's Avenue, up from Sitco. And this one here is a bus going by when I was filming the second time. But it matches my painting, around McNally. This is the water area. This is the water area. This is the mountain. And this is the mountain. Here it's showing that it's melting. So I'll do it that way. I won't short it. I'll upload the short later. And here's the proof that YouTube wouldn't come in. See? Wouldn't come in. I rest my case. Just when I want to upload something important, I can't get on Wi-Fi. In my telepathy, they said that that Biden was going around shutting off all the Wi-Fi unless you pay for it. That he was going to go around shutting off all Wi-Fi. That's what was said to my wire. Kami-Sue stuff will be mapped birth, Royce by identification card only. What's next?